Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Beside me is the 2022 MUX and it's in for a custom dyno tune, and I must say, this bar on the front, it looks pretty impressive. Before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel and click the bell for notifications. The first part of our tuning procedure at Ultimate Diesel Tuning is to ensure the vehicle's in good order and carry out the on-car vehicle inspection. This MUX is new, but we still carry out that pre-tune inspection like I mentioned to make sure that all the fluids are okay with the vehicle and there's no oil leaks, of course. As expected, all good to go, so we can start carrying on with the custom dyno tuning. The owner of the MUX was chasing more torque. In particular, he tows a number of caravans around as he has a business in doing so. I want to also make mention this vehicle has got the winch on the front, lights, it's got the underbody protection as well, and a really nice front bar as I mentioned earlier. Also has aftermarket wheels and tyres, and the tyres are a 32-inch tyre. So when it comes to custom dyno tuning, this sort of information is really vital for our engineers to ensure they can tune the car properly and correctly for the driving conditions of the car. Well, we've now finished the custom dyno tune on the MUX. Let's take a look at the results. When we first ran it up, it had 96 kilowatts of power and 417 Newton-meters of torque at the rear tyres. After we completed the dyno tune on this vehicle and custom tuned it for what it's been used for, it went to 115 kilowatts of power and over 500 Newton-meters of torque. What this was over a 20% increase in peak power and 22% gain in torque. What I'd like to make mention, you'll see here, there's dips you might see in the graph. That's actually the torque converter in the middle, and it just mirrors what it does both standard and also tuned. The other big thing about the Ford JJ3s, whether it be in the BT50 or the MUX or the D-Max, is we're getting really good feedback from the customers when towing. It helps with, after having the tune, they stop seeing the gearbox shifting up and down the gears. It holds the gears a lot better. Well guys, another Ford JJ3 Isuzu custom dyno tune by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning, and the results are such a game changer for these vehicles. So if you're looking to improve the performance of your Isuzu or MUX D-Max, would like to tune your common rail diesel, make sure you give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning and speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we've also got a dealer network all around Australia as well. But make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.